Hi everyone, this is Mamta Verma, and today in this video we will learn how the three brain networks are interconnected to the learning experiences. And this helps us to design universal design for learning by offering multiple means of options, opportunities, representation while designing the learning experiences for all students in the classroom. In a simple way, the universal design for learning is anticipating barriers proactively and addressing those barriers proactively than reactively. So here are the three brain networks. Strategic networks, which aligns with how of learning. Effective network, which aligns with why of learning. Recognition network, what of learning. We will talk more about in next slide. When the information is processed and relayed, it is in the back of the brain, which includes occipital and temporal lobes. That is known as what of learning. That aligns with perception, language, symbols, comprehension. In other words, it is called representation network. That enables to identify, interpret sound, taste, smell, touch. When someone calls you, you answer the phone, you hear that voice, and you recognize the voice. That is the recognition network. Now let's talk about the affective network, the why of learning. When information is processed and relayed for meaning in the center of the brain, that is known as affective networks, the why of learning, which aligns with interest, effort, and persistence. Self-regulation, also known as engagement network. The example can be you see some students in your classroom who are motivated because they have interest in that area, field, or subject. And some students, they are reinforced, they are motivated to make effective networks work. Strategic network, how of learning. When the information is organized in the frontal lobe for response or action, that is known as strategic network, the how of learning, which aligns physical action, expression, communication, and executive function, also known as action and expression network. The strategic network is very critical. Some examples include while doing a project or taking notes, while listening to a lecture and taking the note is a strategic network with a recognition network that works to learn to read, compute, solve problems, plan and execute compositions, and complete projects. That includes cooking a meal, while looking at the recipe and cooking the meal, executing the ingredients, executing a golf swing, or driving a car. These are examples of strategic network, action and expression network. So here we have learned how the brain networks help to design learning experientially, proactively, not reactively.